In today's business world, AI is often seen as a tool for automation, but the real opportunity lies in collaboration. Instead of replacing people, AI should be a partner, creating Centaur organizations where humans and machines combine their strengths. This approach isn't about eliminating jobs, but about empowering people to make better, faster, and more insightful decisions. The challenge for leaders is to design human-machine partnerships that elevate decision quality, transforming AI from a threat into an indispensable ally. The transformative power of human-AI collaboration is becoming increasingly evident in a wide range of real-world settings. By combining the unique strengths of both people and intelligent machines, organizations are achieving results that were once thought impossible. Let's explore how this synergy is reshaping industries and improving outcomes for everyone involved. In medicine, for example, AI systems and pathologists working side by side have dramatically reduced cancer diagnosis errors by as much as 85% compared to when humans work alone. The AI quickly analyzes thousands of images, flagging subtle patterns that might be missed, while doctors bring their expertise and intuition to make the final call. This partnership leads to faster, more accurate diagnoses, and ultimately saves lives. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants handle routine questions and repetitive tasks, allowing human agents to focus on solving complex, emotionally charged issues. This not only speeds up response times but also enables agents to deliver more empathetic, personalized support, creating a better experience for customers and employees alike. In manufacturing, companies like GE are training their experts to use AI for predictive maintenance. Here, machine learning algorithms analyze sensor data to predict equipment failures before they happen, while human engineers interpret the results and make critical decisions. This blend of machine analysis and human judgment helps prevent costly breakdowns and keeps factories running smoothly. Across all these industries, the most impressive results come not from humans or machines working in isolation, but from true partnership. When people and AI collaborate, they amplify each other's strengths, leading to innovative solutions and greater productivity. Ultimately, it's augmentation, not pure automation, that unlocks new levels of performance, creativity, and value in the modern workplace. Building a Centaur organization means understanding what humans and AI each do best. Humans excel at handling uncertainty and interpreting ambiguous situations, drawing on intuition and experience. AI thrives on complexity, analyzing massive datasets and spotting patterns humans can't see. When decisions require empathy, negotiation, or ethical judgment, humans are irreplaceable. The smartest organizations let AI manage the numbers, while humans manage the meaning. This division of labor leads to smarter, more balanced decisions. Creating a Centaur organization takes more than just adopting the latest technology. It demands a fundamental shift in how your business operates and thinks about work. It's about blending human creativity and judgment with the power and speed of artificial intelligence, so both can do what they do best. The first step is to break down every job into its core tasks, then thoughtfully assign each task to either humans or AI, depending on their unique strengths. This ensures that people focus on what requires empathy, creativity, and critical thinking, while AI handles repetitive or data-heavy work. Second, invest in upskilling your experts so they can work seamlessly alongside AI tools. This creates hybrid talent, people who are not only skilled in their domain, but also fluent in leveraging AI to amplify their impact and productivity. Third, make AI systems transparent and explainable. When employees understand how AI arrives at its recommendations, they're more likely to trust the technology, learn from it, and use it effectively in their daily work. Fourth, actively involve frontline workers in the design and rollout of AI systems. Their insights ensure that the technology truly fits the realities of the job, leading to better adoption, smoother workflows, and more meaningful results. Fifth, establish clear ethical guidelines and always keep humans in the loop for critical decisions. This safeguards trust, ensures accountability, and helps your organization navigate complex situations responsibly. By following these 5 steps, you can transform human-AI collaboration from a theoretical concept into a practical, everyday reality, unlocking new levels of innovation, efficiency, and success for your organization. Sustaining a Centaur organization means embedding three essential pillars: continuous co-learning, distributed decision-making, and stewardship of human judgment. These pillars are not just abstract concepts, they are the foundation for a workplace where humans and AI work side by side, each amplifying the strengths of the other. In this environment, learning never stops, and every interaction is an opportunity for growth, adaptation, and improvement. Stewardship of human judgment means recognizing the irreplaceable value of experience, intuition, and ethical reasoning. It's about ensuring that technology supports, rather than overrides, the wisdom that people bring to the table. Build robust feedback loops, so both humans and AI learn from each other, refining models and surfacing where human intuition matters most. Encourage open dialogue about what's working and what isn't, so the system evolves with your team's needs. Empower frontline workers to act on AI insights, avoiding bottlenecks and unlocking agility. When employees at every level can trust and challenge AI recommendations, organizations become more responsive and resilient. Protect and nurture expert judgment. Don't let data drown out experience. Make space for seasoned professionals to share their insights and ensure their voices are heard in critical decisions. Create roles and mentorships that develop deep expertise and encourage questioning of AI when needed. Foster a culture where curiosity and critical thinking are celebrated and where challenging the status quo leads to better outcomes. The goal isn't to let machines think for us, but to help us think better together. By combining the analytical power of AI with the creativity and empathy of humans, we unlock new possibilities for innovation and problem solving. The challenge for leaders is clear. How will you redesign work so humans and machines make better decisions, together, every day? The future belongs to organizations that embrace shared intelligence and empower every individual to contribute their best.